Creating a weekly schedule can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and get more done. Here's a simple step-by-step guide to make a schedule that really works for you. Step 1. List your tasks. First, write down everything you need to do this week. Include work, school, personal tasks, appointments, and even time for rest and hobbies. Getting a full list helps you see what you need to fit into your week. Step 2. Prioritize your tasks. Look at your list and decide which tasks are most important or urgent. Mark those tasks as high priority. Focus on completing these first because they have the biggest impact on your goals. Step 3. Break tasks into smaller steps. Big tasks can feel overwhelming. Break them into smaller, manageable steps. For example, if you need to write a report, break it down into research, writing, and editing. This makes it easier to schedule and finish each part. Step 4. Choose your scheduling tool. Decide how you want to plan your week. You can use a paper planner, a calendar app, or a simple to-do list. Pick a tool that you will check often and find easy to use. Step 5. Assign tasks to specific days and times. Start placing your tasks into your weekly schedule. Assign specific days and, if possible, specific times to each task. This helps you create a routine and avoid last-minute rushes. Step 6. Leave buffer time. Don't fill every minute. Leave some buffer time between tasks for breaks, unexpected events, or extra time if a task takes longer. This makes your schedule more flexible and realistic. Step 7. Review and adjust daily. At the end of each day, review your schedule. Check what you have completed and what still needs attention. Adjust your plan for the next day if needed. This keeps your schedule up to date and helps you stay on track. Step 8. Stick to your schedule. Try to follow your schedule as closely as possible. It's okay if you need to adjust sometimes. The goal is to build a habit of planning and managing your time, so you feel more in control of your week. That's it. By following these simple steps, you can create a weekly schedule that helps you focus, manage your time better, and reduce stress. Start today and see the difference a good weekly schedule can make.